there is no technical install, what is to stop a customer or employee from swapping the device or removing it entirely?
So, employee theft is a concern for any retail business, and, we understand that, but that's really something that the dealership needs to deal with. We believe that dealerships hire trustworthy people to work for them, and that they'll be able to deal with loss prevention effectively on that side. In terms of the consumer, it's really not in their interests to do that. Now, if they want to track multiple cars with a single tracker, they could do that, but the tracker is also associated with a specific VIN number. So if they put the vehicle in theft recovery mode and they've swapped the thing to a different car, they're not really going to get any benefit out of that. And also, when the device is in lot management mode, it also senses that it's been removed and sends an alert. And we have some other great functionality like location lock for dealers, where and also for consumers, where you can set up in the system that if a device, assumingly associated with a vehicle, leaves the lot outside of certain hours, that the dealer will receive a proactive alert, or the consumer will receive a proactive alert on their smartphone to let them know that vehicle has been removed from the lot, or that the device has been removed from the lot. So there's a lot of functionality around that will help dealers with loss prevention, not only of the devices, but also of their vehicles as well.